Hi everyone, and good morning from Finland. Okay, before I leave for the office today, I thought I'd shoot just a short clip. Reason being that I am having one of those moments again where I'm having a little bit of trouble with inspiration, techniques. I'm kind of feel like I'm in a slight bit of a rut, so feeling rather uninspired. So I thought I'd ask you guys. So the stage is yours. I'd love to hear what you think. What should I paint next? It can be a certain technique, it can be a color palette, or anything that comes to mind. So yeah, please leave me a comment, and I'll see what sort of thing gains the most traction, if you like, and I will go from there, and I will let you know when I do film that particular painting, and yeah, I'll mention all the people who gave me input on what I should paint next. So thank you so much in advance, and I look forward to seeing your replies. Bye for now.